How to convert text to speech in ElevenLabs. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to convert text to speech using the ElevenLabs application, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open the ElevenLabs application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner. Now, click on the text to speech option from the top. Now, go ahead and paste in or type in the text you want to turn into speech in the text box. After writing it down, go ahead and tap on the Brian Deep option at the bottom left, this one over here, and choose a different voice from the list. ElevenLabs provides many AI voices with different genders, accents, speaking style, or emotion. Go ahead and select one of the voices in order to preview it. Once you do that, the voice will be selected. Now click on the tick mark at the top right corner. After selecting the voice, click on the slider right next to the voice option and go ahead and choose the model. Here you can adjust the speed, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration option from the menu. Make your selection or adjust it according to your preference and tap on Save at the bottom right. Right after you do that, click on the Generate button to generate the voice. The AI will process your text and create speech in a few seconds. Now, you can download the audio by tapping on the share icon right in front of the play button and choose whether you'd like to download it and follow through the instructions. So that is how you can easily convert text to speech in ElevenLabs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.